This air purifier is great for offices and bedrooms. It can cover 430 square feet. Now, I did get this product to review, and this air purifier is really great. We were looking for one because we have multiple animals in our house. We have 3 cats, a dog, and then just natural dandruff. The girls were starting to have allergies. This works really effectively and efficiently at clearing out smoke, dander, odors, all the good stuff. So this is actually going to help purify and clean the air that's inside your home, and it does it really silently. So right now this is on, and this is on the low mode, and you can barely hear it. Now when you put it on the high mode, you can hear it more, of course, because it's going to be on high. But then it also has the sleep mode as well, which you cannot hear at all. It does have a nice cool light here that's blue, so you can have that at night for like a night light. And then you can also turn it off as well. It does have 6, 12, and 24 hour on and off sleep timer mode. So you trigger that by hitting that button 1, 2, or 3 times to turn on and off the sleep timer mode. So now to use essential oils with this, you'll put it in this section here, and all you're going to do is just pop this up, and this is going to have a little pad here. And this little pad is where you're going to put your essential oil, so it'll help diffuse the scent throughout the room, whatever your preference is. And then you'll put that pad right down here, and then close it up. I would probably put maybe 1 to 3 drops in. You don't need a lot. And then you can just put this right up top and have it be right in your space. As you can see here, there is a lot of clutter and there is a lot of toys that the girls have, but the nice thing is that this doesn't take up a lot of space at all. So that way we can have this air purifier here while they can still have all of their stuff up here that they want to have. Now, this also comes with the instruction manual. This does have a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and a carbon filter as well. So it's going to do a really great job at cleaning out all the air. So I would definitely recommend this. This is a great product, and I would definitely say check this out.